Okay guys, for this recipe I'll be using some ground turkey breast, extra lean, some cilantro, 1 avocado, 3 garlic cloves, cheddar cheese, a can of 28-ounce diced tomatoes, 2 cans of dark red kidney beans, rinsed and drained, some onion chopped up, some oregano, some chili powder, and some ground cumin. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with a pan with some olive oil. I'm going to add in my diced onion. Now I'm adding in my diced garlic. You're going to let this saute for about 5 minutes or until it's brown. Now I'm adding in my ground turkey. In this step, I'm adding in my chili powder, my ground cumin, and my oregano. I'm just going to mix that all together with the meat. After my meat has been cooked thoroughly, now I'm going to go ahead and add my 28-ounce canned tomatoes. Now I'm adding in my red kidney beans. Make sure you rinse them and drain them. Throughout this whole process, I was just adding more chili powder to give it more chili flavor. Now I'm adding in some salt. Now I'm just going to cover the lid and let it simmer.
So right now it's on medium heat, and right now it is simmering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for medium heat all the way to simmer, and I'm going to put my timer on for about 30 minutes.
Okay guys, so this is my chili and this is how it came out. So as you can see, it's a little bit thicker than it was. I also made some cornbread and we're gonna enjoy this meal. So this is how the chili came out. I went ahead and threw in some cilantro and some avocado. And now I'm gonna top it off with some cheddar cheese. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.